Hello children, I hope you all are doing well and you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the 20th chapter, that is Eating Together. As the schools open after a long vacation, students wait to come back to school and meet their friends. I'm sure even you wait to go back to school after a long vacation to tell your friends all about what you did in your vacation, the places you visited, the friends you made, the various food you ate, and how you spent your time during the vacation. Children, all of you might have attended a wedding at least once. There are different things that happen in a wedding. Other than meeting relatives and attending the wedding, one more important point is food at the wedding. Usually at the wedding, there are various kinds of food present, and you usually sit with your relatives, your family to eat together. So let me tell you this through Aarti's story. Aarti had attended her uncle's wedding during the vacation. After Aarti came back to school from vacation, her friend Meena noticed her hand and asked, "Why are you wearing mehendi on your hand?" To which Aarti replied, "I had attended my uncle's wedding during the vacation." Then her friend David said, "Then you must have had a lot of fun during the wedding." To which Aarti replied, "Yes, I enjoyed the wedding and eating the wedding food the most." Aarti said she had lots of fun eating with her relatives and also doing things together. Hearing this, Reena couldn't control and said, "Why don't we do something similar at our school? We all will have fun together." "I have an idea," said David. "Why don't we have a class party? Then we all can have fun together. We have parties in our colony whenever there is a festival. We all collect money, prepare food, and have it together," said Reena. To which Reena said, "We don't need a festival to celebrate a party. The coming Saturday is a half day. We can have a party during that time." Everyone in the class decided what they would bring for the party. And on the Saturday, all the children had lots of fun. There was so much variety in the food. Everyone played so many games, and in the end, everyone was relaxed and tired. In the end, they decided they would like to have such a party again. So children, did you ever have such a party at your school? If not, you can plan one same as Aarti and her friends did. You can also invite your teachers and other staff for the party. You all can enjoy the tasty food, play games, and have fun together. So children, eating together, especially with friends, is wonderful. Just remember your lunch breaks where you all run to your favorite spot, sit together, and share your food and eat. Oh, it's a wonderful time. Children, do you know many children in our country are not able to get a full meal every day. Many of the children go to school empty stomach and are not able to study. Some years ago, the highest court in our country gave an order. Every school going children up to the elementary stage, that is class 8, should be provided hot and free food. It is the right of every child. Because of this, most of the children who were not able to get food are now getting hot and tasty food at the school. As you all know, it's very difficult to study or to do anything with an empty stomach. Because of the midday meal, now students are able to go to school and get healthy and nutritious food. Now children, I know you all love festivals and there are various kinds of festivals in our country like Diwali, Holi, Makar Sankranti, Janmashtami, Dashera, Ram Navami, Durga Puja, Ganesh Chaturthi, Vasant Panchami, Mahashivratri, Eid, Christmas, Good Friday, Guru Purnima and Bihu. As you all know, these festivals are celebrated and enjoyed by all of us. But there are few festivals which are not celebrated by everyone. These festivals are specific to a particular area. Now, let us study about one such beautiful festival celebrated in Assam. This festival is known as Bihu and it is ethnic to Assam. I am going to tell you about Bihu through the story of 4 friends. Let us look at the story. The 4 friends in the story are Sonmoni, Tanveer, Fatima and Mazani. Sonmoni woke up early in the morning and she rushed towards her friends Fatima, Tanveer and Mazani. Today was a special day in Assam. The new rice crop had been harvested and the village was celebrating the festival of Bihu. Children, Bihu is a set of 3 important Assamese festivals in the Indian state of Assam. Rongali or Bohag Bihu observed in April, Kongali or Kati Bihu observed in October, and Bhogali or Magh Bihu observed in January. The Rongali Bihu is the most important of the 3, celebrating spring festival. The Bhogali Bihu or the Magh Bihu is a harvest festival with community feast, and the last one, the Kongali Bihu. Magh Bihu is celebrated on 14th and 15th of January, 1st and 2nd Magh, the 10th month of Assamese calendar. The first day is called Uruka, and that day people build temporary sheds called Bhelaghar and have a community feast. Bora is a common variety of rice used in Assam. These are sticky rice. The 4 friends sang and chatted happily as they built their Bhelaghar with bamboo. Bhelaghar is a temporary night shelter used as a community feast hall made of thatch, bamboo, straws, dried leaves and others. Bhelaghars are mostly built in the open space. A dried paddy field provides a safe option as it is burned in the full spirit on Bihu. Tanveer says today is Ukura. The whole village will be eating together. The village members have already contributed money to buy the Bora rice, fish and vegetables. The village people have already started to prepare the meal, and other members of the village have gone to the market to bring the supplies. The whole village is busy making pitha. Some are cooking and others are boiling potatoes. Some will be serving the food at night, and in the evening everyone will be served tea and pitha. So children, what is this tasty dish pitha? Pitha is a type of rice cake from the eastern regions of the Indian subcontinent. Pithas are primarily made from a batter of rice flour or wheat flour, which is shaped and optionally filled with sweet or savory ingredients. When filled, the pitha's pouch is called a khol. The bhelagar was ready. The four friends ran to their home to change their clothes. Everyone in the village started gathering at one place. The women were dressed in pat and muga mekhala chador. Mekhela chador is a traditional dress worn by the women during the Bihu festival. In this picture, you can see how beautiful the dress looks. Sonmoni and her friends ran to the bhelagar. The drums started to play and everyone was singing and dancing together. Everyone danced till they were tired and then all of them sat in rows. The food was served to them on a banana leaf. Everyone enjoyed the feast. At night, they stayed at the bhelagar. In the morning, the bhelagar was to be burnt. There is a significance behind burning the bhelagar, but we'll come to that later. Maize is mostly made from wood, bamboo, straw, hay, and with dried banana leaves heaped on the fields. The custom is, after taking bath, the people crowd around the maize and light it with a bamboo flame. Then they give respect and take blessings from the holy pyre, which is nothing but the burning maize. Children, I hope you all might have learned a lot in today's class. So I guess next time when you go to school, surely plan for a party with your friends. Children, I would like to give you a fun and interesting task. Talk to your parents and grandparents and make a list of all the festivals you celebrate and different dishes you cook. Not only with your parents and grandparents, if you have neighbors, friends, and other people whom you know who belong to other states, you can talk to them about the festivals they celebrate, the dresses they wear, and different types of tasty foods they cook. I hope you all enjoyed today's class. Don't forget to wash your hands. Stay safe. Thank you.